Hey guys, welcome back. If you haven't figured it out by now, it is cooking segment time, and I am at one of my favorite spots on the corners of Route 50 and 589. No, I am not part owner of the joint. Please don't come in here asking for me, even though I'm here a lot, right? I'm here a lot. I am not part owner of the place, but I am really great friends with the guys that work here, run this place, and we're here with a couple of them today. What's up? Great to see you, girl. Jamie Parker.
What's up, Scott?
These guys run the show inside. That's how it works. If you call, they're going to take your order, they're going to fill your order, they're going to greet you with a smile at the front counter. If they do a fantastic job with this stuff over the holiday season, you guys don't get slow during the holiday season. You guys actually get busier.
Oh, yeah.
And that's because some of the great stuff going on. You've got shrimp specials during the NFL season, which is part of this. You have party platters during the holiday season for all those people that are having parties at their houses and stuff. Obviously, the crab meat. Tell me about what's going on over the next several weeks.
So one of our top sellers this time of year is our party platters. Right here you have 4 of our customer favorites all on one tray. This is our mini party platter, so it's a ½ pound of each item. We have crab balls, garlic butter scallops, bacon wrapped barbecue scallops, and bacon wrapped barbecue shrimp. So it's a ½ pound of everything. We also do 3/4 of a pound and a full pound of everything. That tray right there is $115.
Okay.
That is
and you get 4 choices of those?
So those are what automatically comes on it. They are all customizable. So if you decide you want something different, you want to swap something out, you can totally do that as well. But guaranteed to be the biggest hit at any party. It's the first thing to go.
They're so easy. I've done several. You guys know that. You pop the lid off, you sit it there, and people devour it. That's just how it works. All right, Bray, now tell me about the shrimp special you got going on, NFL football.
Yeah, so during the NFL season, every time there's a game, we do our special. So you buy 2 pounds, get the third one free. It can be raw or steamed.
Any size?
Any size.
So basically, I buy 2 pounds of medium shrimp. I get the third one free anytime there's an NFL football game on TV.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
We're being played. So, guys, that means any special day, too. Thursday, they had a special game Friday a couple of weeks ago. If they play on Saturday during the holiday season, obviously Sunday and Monday Night Football. So it's basically like 4 nights a week they got a shrimp special. Make sure you stop in and pick it up. And then also during the holiday season, you got peeled and deveined shrimp.
A lot
of people like to
do
shrimp cocktails. So how's that working?
We do all the work for you. We peel it and devein it. All you have to do is come pick it up and put it on your table.
Like this?
Yeah, give it a try. So we sell a lot of peeled and deveined shrimp this time of year. It's a huge hit. Super easy to add to any party, and like I said, it's a huge favorite.
That's so good.
Can't go wrong.
This goes without mentioning. Off season, you got to have specials around here.
Absolutely.
You guys have really good specials during the week as well, right? Monday through Friday, basically.
Monday through Friday, we do a different lunch special every day. So it kind of changes it up. Always something fresh and new. And it's some of our customer favorites that we discount huge. They're steals.
All right, tell me about crabs.
Crabs we'll have all year round, contrary to popular belief, but once Maryland season ends, we carry Louisiana crabs, so it's the second best. They're still nice, fat, heavy crabs, and like I said, we do have them year round, so make sure you don't forget about that.
Coming a couple of times a week too, right? You get to get a truck a couple times a week?
We get it, almost every day.
And then obviously the crab meat. The crab meat is like, a lot of it's still packed locally, so you got it by the pound, and it comes from what to what? Claw meat all the way up through jumbo lump?
Yep, we have our back fin lump and jumbo lump. Jumbo lump's obviously the best of the best. But this time of year, it's flash frozen, so it's still that Hooper's Island Maryland crab meat. It's the best that you can possibly get. They do like an instant freeze, so it's almost the same as what we have all summer.
Gotcha.
Yep. And
Abrea is really talkative this afternoon. So do me a favor. Tell me about gift cards. You guys, you guys know I get gift cards too because I like to hook the family up during the Christmas season. How do gift cards work, Abrea?
Yeah, so basically you can just come in, tell us any amount you want. We also ship our gift cards this time of year. Just tell us where and we can send it to you.
So somebody out of town or somebody lives in town, has family out of town, you'll ship for them to their address.
Right to their house.
Okay, that's convenient too. That's awesome. This looks spectacular, guys. Really, really looks great. This show is going to come on this week before Christmas and then come on again after the holiday season while we run our holiday show. So make sure you come in here and pick this up, guys. Phone number for me real quick.
410-641-9379.
Yep, and the website is?
www.crabstogo.com.
I'm on there probably 3-4 times a week because we just need to update the menu in our heads, even though we've had everything that's on this table. You won't have a bad bite of food at the place, folks. Really do a great job over the holiday season. Make sure you hit the phone number, hit the website if you want to check out the menu, and come see the lovely ladies behind the counter and the guys that run the crab sifting station over here. Dan, Parker, I call him. Dan, Mark, John, Jamie, Abrea, and all the crew do a fantastic job. We'll see you after the break. Be right back.